Hi, good day, guys. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. It's FX Geek. So yeah, I'm back with another video, guys, for you. Quick market analysis on gold. So the first thing you wanna do is mark off your support and your resistance. So guys, that's very important. You see, if you have your support there, you know that this is support, is a resistance. You know that, okay, cool. Now this is the market. Now you have everything is starting to be a little clear because you have your support and your resistance. So yeah, we will analyze the normal way, the easy way. I wouldn't say the easy way, but the most, I would say, I feel like that's just how the market needs to be analyzed. So yeah, we won't do a lot of things. We are going to mark off our key zones, so yeah, if you know Nasdaq Ninja or the Ninja Flow, so yeah, this is what I've been doing for years, because of, yeah, I've learned the strategy from the one and only, the greatest Nasdaq Ninja. So that's why I learned this strategy, the FX go to my cousin, those kind of stuff. So yeah, I've been applying this strategy for years, so I see it's working. So why should I change that? Why should I confuse myself for a lot of things? So we're analyzing from the higher time frame, guys. So that's the most important things, marking our key zones. There's nothing much. As you can see, guys, price has been moving up. Price has been moving up, so clearly we're in a uptrend. Gold right now is telling us it's on an uptrend on the bigger time frame. So now we're diving into smaller time frame. This is the weekly time frame. So we've been seeing price rally up like crazy, but then as of recent, like, price has been giving us some kind of behavior. This was not really like, because if you see, like, price has been moving up nicely, but then here price gave us 3 straight weeks of just complete domination of the bears. So the bears have been dominating here. They dominated, because of, if you look here, this is a lot of weeks compared to this just 3 weeks of price action. So yeah, you can just imagine that the sellers are coming with the pressure. It seems like that, seems like the sellers are coming with a lot of pressure there. So yeah, it's a tough one, guys. I don't want to lie to you guys, it's a tough one. But then, guys, one thing also that we also noticed that is that price, again, remember, price is still trapped here, so you want to let price break out there on the monthly time frame, so that you can take yourselves, just break, boom, close outside, just that. If it does that, price is clearly showing us that it could be going down, and it does that again here, bruh, you can just hold yourselves. Yeah, if price closes, does this thing, breaks, closes, bruh, why not sell? That would be crazy. That would, mind you, don't forget that price is still trapped in here. You go to the monthly time frame, you can see that price is trapped in inside here, inside this what do you call this week. It's in a week. This is a week, this is all a week. Price is in a week here. So let's just indicate it there, let's just say, let's say price trapped inside week. Price is trapped inside the week. Like, whatever is happening here, price is just trapped inside the week. Everything is here, if you go to the 3 months time, you see everything is here, so this is a bruh. So yeah, it's very interesting, bruh. It's very interesting. So, like, from what I've like seen, like, now I'm just starting to get interested in this price action, because yeah, cause bruh, how is it possible? Because bruh, price honestly is price is in a week. You get that? Price here is still inside the week, so this is the most important. This is very crucial. This areas for us, this is our crucial area. So we know for sure that this is a week. So it's only a matter of time until price finally breaks out. So we just want to be there. We just want to be present for that. If that happens, we want to be one of the first ones to know, you know. So hence I'm doing this, I'm doing this for us. I'm not doing this for me, because whatever that I'm gonna find here, this is what I'm gonna do, meaning that if I find an entry here, if I find, hence I've indicated that, guys, let's not forget that price here, this whole thing here is just price trapped inside week. It's trapped inside the week right here. Everything we see here, price is just trapped inside the week here. Because let me just do this. You see, when you go to the 3 month time frame, you don't see anything. Just see a week, biggest week. Sorry for the language, but guys, yeah, that's a strong week. Again, you go there, you see that what's happening, because at the bigger time frames, that's a week. So what does this mean? It will confuse you a lot. You get the point. It will confuse you a lot if you think about it too much, but then let's not think about it too much and let's just do the analysis the simple way and the correct way. So guys, again, sorry for not indicating to you guys that this is what's happening. If you can look at that, price, to be honest, guys, like, I won't even lie, bro, like, price has been moving up, like, in a good way, bro. You get the point. Price has been moving up nicely, bro, but then as the price reached this point, price crashed, went up for that momentum, crashed hard. Do you get the point? Crashed super hard. Now price, we see price, we saw price going there, which it also took a long time, bruh. If you think about this, bro, like, bro, this is like from March 24 to April 20. You do get the point. So it took a long time, but look at those sales. Do you see it? This is indicating to us that sellers have, it looks like sellers have their momentum, because of every time price sells, look at those buys. They are nothing compared to the sells. Look at how price is falling down. But then when you look at the buys are the ones that are slower. The sells are super quick to go down. Like, price is super quick to sell, bruh. If you look at this is what price is telling me. This is not what I'm saying. I'm just saying things that I'm seeing here, because I do see the price. Look at that. Then look at how long it took for price to just retest that area. Then do you get that? So it's the same thing. It could be the same thing. Cause if you can just look at this in another way, look at that. That's price. Look, this is just price talking to us. Like, do you get the point? Do you get the point? Okay, why not? Cause price clearly has been doing the same. Like, price has been doing the same thing, bruh. Same thing. You get the point. Again, I don't wanna say, like, I don't wanna confirm anything as of yet, but it's very much convincing. Like, do you get the point? It's very much convincing to sell this, man, to just sell gold. Very convincing. So something I will do, you get that, bruh? Like, this is just indicating to me that, bruh, price is just like screaming at me. Listen, like, bruh, I'm selling, dog, sell this. Do you get from me? That's what I see, bruh. I see price, strongly just saying to me, bruh, sell me now. Yeah, that's what I'm getting, the feedback from price, bruh. Just screaming at me like, my bruh, you have to sell me now, bruh, chucks. So yeah, honestly, at this point, I don't want to act too quick. I don't want, cause I've already seen my entry. Like, I won't lie, bruh. because of, yeah, trust me, I've seen my entry, I've seen where I want to enter, like right where price is at. But what I can tell you about entering like this, guys, it's very risky. When you enter like this, you need to be smart about this entry. If you want to enter, do you see how price is moving? Like, do you realize where price is at right now? Okay, let me do that. Okay, do you see where price, do you see this whole thing here? Just this. So you want to scan this environment first before you enter. Do you understand that? You need to scan this environment, this whole thing. Isn't like, because of, I am saying that I want to enter and I do want to enter. So when I look at this, what do I see? Okay, when I look at this, I see price. Okay, price did this, went up. Does it make sense? Does it make sense, or doesn't make sense? So that's just how I see the market. That's how I analyze the market. So before I enter, I need to see the trend, bruh. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you get the point? So this is what I see. I'm seeing gold continue with the sell. Because why not? Because price is clearly giving us a trend. Do you understand that? So we need to take advantage of this, because price is clearly showing us that there is a trend. Trend is being formed. So we don't need this, right? We've already indicated that. Also, guys, don't forget that to like, comment, and subscribe. So we've already seen that price, bruh. I don't know, man. I don't know who's gonna see this video. I really don't know, but trust me, bro, price is just gonna crash from here. Price is just gonna crash. So you just do that, before you enter. So you need to be smart. Hence, when you go to war, that's the ninja said best. He said that when you go to war, you need to go to war prepared with other tools. Meaning that what I'm trying to say is that I do see it's a sell. I'm convinced it's a sell. But when it comes to the entry, we need to be very smart. How am I going to enter this? This whole thing. How am I gonna do that? Okay, for me to enter this, I know that this was the last support. This was the last support. Apparently, do you get the point? So I want to make sure that where price reacted the last time it was. Do you get that? I just want to just make this, just want to do that. Do you get the point? I just want to make sure that I get in. This is what we do for an entry. I won't just enter here. Like, trust me, I know this will sell. But then again, guys, let's not forget that the market is full of uncertainty. So if this breaks for me, price breaks down there, like really breaks, retest, that's the whole thing. Like, you see, if you see this, if this neck gets respected, like this trend line gets respected, yeah, I will be very happy, bro. But one thing that I'm not gonna do, I'm not gonna enter here because price could bounce. This is the support, bruh. Here we wait for price. If price breaks, it needs to retest, break, retest, break. Like, if I see that pattern happening, nah, bruh, I'm gonna enter. But as of for now, I wouldn't do that, bruh. I wouldn't advise you to do that. Like, you could do that, I know that some traders are just like, bruh, nah, fuck it, it's gonna enter me. So that's what I can call that. You can definitely do that, definitely do that, but you need to be sure about your analysis. You need to be, you see, when you guys, you need to remember that this is your money. So you need to be very smart about that. So I won't be saying too much right now. That's what I see. I see sales. That's my, that's that's my thing on gold. I see sales, but I'm not confirming anything else before price, just starts playing this side. That's where I will be very happy, because of clearly when price is here, like anywhere here, like anywhere above the price is you get the point. But we want to see price, play in this zone. That's where, like, I will be very very happy to enter. Like, you see, if price plays in this zone, I will be very happy to enter sales. Why not? I will be very much happy, if I see price just that is playing below those areas. Like, I don't mind waiting. I don't mind waiting, like, for those things, so I know that I can, just push price to the downside. So, without having to, what is this, and just look at that, bruh. Just push that to the downside, bruh. Just like that, smash it, man. Gold is just smash it like that, bruh. Look at that. Just look now. What's happening? Like, bruh. Just look at that. Price. Do you understand price action, guys? Do you see? Look at that. Mind you, this is a 1 hour time frame. So what's happening on the 1 minute? For those who trade 1 minute. So guys, this is all about you. This is all about how are you gonna be, how are you going to see this, how are you going to view this. But for me, yeah, I'm just waiting for that. If this happens, clearly I'm the happiest man alive. But then, guys, thanks for watching. I've went in full depth of this analysis. But then, thanks for watching. Can you kindly please comment, subscribe, tell me what you think, and please also share. Cheers.